Swagbucks bank verification. Problems are usually caused by connection issues, incorrect account details, or problems with the verification process. By the end, you'll know the steps to check when Swagbucks cannot verify your bank account, and what to do before contacting support. The first step is to check that the bank information you entered matches your actual account details. Make sure your name, bank account information, and any required details are entered correctly. A small mismatch can prevent verification from completing. Next, check your internet connection and try the verification process again. A failed connection can interrupt the process before Swagbucks receives the required information. If you are using the Swagbucks app, update it from your device's app store. An outdated app version can sometimes cause features to stop working correctly. You should also check whether your bank supports the connection method being used. Some banks may block third-party verification services or require additional security steps. If your bank asks you to approve a connection, complete every step before leaving the verification screen. Another option is trying the process again later. Temporary issues with banking connections can prevent verification, even when your information is correct. Avoid entering incorrect information repeatedly, because multiple failed attempts can create additional account problems. If the issue continues, contact Swagbucks support through the official help section. Include details about the problem, such as the device you are using, the error message you see, and when the issue started. Before contacting support, collect screenshots of the error and confirm that your bank details are correct. This helps support understand the problem faster. The main fixes are simple. Check your account information, update the app, confirm your bank connection works, and contact Swagbucks support if verification still fails. Start by reviewing your bank details inside Swagbucks and returning the verification process after confirming everything is correct. Subscribe for more Swagbucks guides, reward app fixes, and troubleshooting videos, and like the video if this helped you solve your bank verification issue.